Hey guys, it's Roscoe, and on the Space Couch today, I've been away for a little while. I was up in Sunderland and I acquired a bunch of things the other week. The first of which was this. A British Airways Boeing 787-8 for £17.99 from a shop in the Grainger Market in Newcastle. They also had like a Virgin Atlantic A350-1000, which was almost twice as long as this, and it was like 30 quid, which was just a bit too expensive. They had a couple of others as well, but this was the one I was most interested in. So let's assemble it. Now, where is it? Yes. Let's hope we've got the cockpit right, because that's always a bit that's an issue. There's the fuselage. Ah, yes, the cockpit looks like it's accurate. So let's just open this up. Ooh. Okay, let's bring this out. There is the fuselage. That's quite long here for the tailplane to fit in. And there, yeah, that's not bad at all. That's the problem with a lot of planes, like say with my TriStar, the nose just isn't accurate and it's so frustrating. Then we have all of this. So the engine's already attached to the wings, and you can see there is the tailplane and there is the horizontal stabilizer. So let's bring this out. Ooh. As you know, I'm always so worried about damaging these when I'm assembling them. That out. And take the next one out. Carefully, carefully. Put that one out, and then we just have the last part. So, there's our tailplane. There's a, which will go that way, won't it? Horizontal stabilizer. And there are the two wings. So, let's carefully assemble this. So, this will go in there, like so. To do make this so easy. This is even easier than my A380, the Emirates one, which I think you had to attach the engines, I'm not certain. It's interesting how sharp that is there with the fairing. And you go carefully. So almost there. Oh, there's also the little stand in there. Now this is the bit I was most concerned about doing. The tailplane. How does that go in? Very carefully. Almost there. Because if that doesn't go in properly, then the tailplane, the horizontal stabilizer, won't fit. That's almost in. Just need a fraction more. I think that might be it. Almost, not quite. Ah, there we are. So that's in. And now this should go in easily. It should slot right in. Maybe that's not quite in yet. Let me take that back out. So a little more. I think fraction. It needs to go in a bit more. No, don't think it goes in anymore. I'm always so worried about breaking it. No, that's just not going in properly yet. Let's see. I can see it's fractioning out on this side, like a millimetre more. Try that now. See, it's not quite in properly. Nope. So, you know, as I say, so careful, trying to be careful. Let's see, it looks like it's just about there, to be honest. Try that again. If it doesn't go in this time, I'm going to leave it that fraction, then just work on that later. It's a bit fiddly, to be honest. I would have preferred if this was 2 single bits to fit in. That would have been a lot easier, like it was with the Emirates. I'm going to leave it like that just for now. I'll sort the rest out in it later, I think. Now, I do have a stand for it. That way, or is it that way? That doesn't look... Oh, you know what? I'm doing it the wrong way around. That's why it's not fitting. Not having much luck with this 787. There we go. And then let's put this in here. Ooh, don't scratch its paintwork already. Can't get the thing in. Does it want to fit in there? Maybe it's not going to fit in there. But here we are, the 787-8 with its slightly detached tailplane, which I will work on and figure out. But yes, very nice. I do like how they have got the fuselage, the nose cone properly done. It looks a little bit like an A350, but no, the windows are correct for the 787. So there it is underneath those beautiful wings. You can see how it curves a little upwards. And then, of course, you see how it goes like this on both sides. Very aerodynamic, beautiful plane. I've flown on the 787-9 of Norwegian Airlines back when they had them, when I went to New York back in 2017 in their premium economy. It's very nice. So, yes, I'm very happy with this. Not so happy about that. As soon as I saw this was a single piece, the tailplane, the horizontal stabilizer rather, I knew there was going to be a problem somewhere. But yes, for now, that is assembled. Let's see, we'll pop it on there. So yes, oh, it's falling off. There is my Boeing 787-8. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment suggestion for upcoming topic you'd like to see discussed, or like the video.